Hello guys, we are back with a new video, and in this video you'll learn about how to create a form in Google Forms. Nowadays children's online exam are going on and they are through Google Forms. In the lockdown, your friends were also I think your friends were also sending you some Google Forms. And I think you were wondering that how to make this. So in this video you will get this solution. So let's start. So first we will search Google Forms in Google. So here you will get a search cards. So I will click the first one, Google Forms free online service. So here you will get this type of page, create beautiful forms, personal. So here you will get one option, go to Google Forms. So I will click here. As this is an Android, so it will redirect you to a new form. So here I will give one title of the form that will show as a heading of the form. So I am giving here just a name. You can give of your own wish. So here I am giving one question. So next you can choose here multiple choice questions, MCQs, or short answer text, or long answer paragraph. So here multiple choice question is selected. When you will click on this arrow, it will show you the menu list: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, and many more. If you want to give multiple answers, then you can select check boxes. If you want to create one drop down menu, then you can easily click the drop down. Then if you want to upload your respondents to upload a file, so you can easily click here, and so many are there. So next I will give one option. There if number 2, if you want your respondents to give their own answer, so you can click add other. Then here you can select required or not, means is a question mandatory to fill or not. So for adding a new question, we will just click this plus sign. So how to give the right answer, and how to give the right answer so that your respondents can fill this go and view the right answer at the last when they are filling the forms after submitting. So let's start this lesson. So what we'll do, we'll go to the top, we'll click the three dots menu button. There preview, settings, undo, start, make a copy, print, add collaborators, add-ons. There are many are there. So you will click settings. There If you want your respondents to give their email address, you can just check this box, collect email addresses. If you want your respondents can give only one response at a time, so you can check this box, limit to one response. So there, respondents eligibility, edit after submit means respondents can edit their answers after submit. If you check this box, they can do this. See summary charts and text responses. They can see all the summary of all the answers of all respondents and the text responses of other participants. There we will go on the presentation section. Here, if you want to shuffle your questions on the time of filling the form, then you can check the box shuffle question order. So then if you want your respondents to submit another response, then you can check this box, and there you can give your own custom message that will show after the submission of the form. Next we'll go to the quizzes. So here, if you check this, make this a quiz, you can give the correct answer at a time and with point. So let's check it. Yes. So see, here you can get the release mark immediately after each submission. Means when the respondents will submit their forms, at the same time they will get their score. And if you turn on that later after manual review, then you can review the response, then you can release the scores. Your respondents can see missed questions, correct answers, point values. So as I told you that if we check this box, we can give the correct answer. So let's check it. So first you have to click this save to save your opinions. So I have clicked save, and now all changes are saved in Drive. So next check how to give the correct answer. So here you will get one extra option after checking the settings. So there if you click that answer key, there you can give the points, and you have to choose there your correct answer within the two options. So I will click one. So there it will be highlighted green, so means your answer is recorded. Then you have to click done. Then your answer is recorded. So then we have to just send it by clicking this send option on the top right corner. So let's check how we can send it and what are the options of sending. Yeah, you can give their email, then you can send it, and there you can give the custom message. There you can share the link, then you can give that HTML link, and you're there. So let's check a preview. So for preview you have to click three dots menu button, then you have to click preview. This is a preview of your form. So I will click the fine. Okay, so I will click the submit option. Yes, your response is recorded, and see view score option is highlighted. So when you will click here, yes, total points 1 out of 1, and as I have find the right answer, and as I have clicked the fine option during the submission, my answer is right. So I've got 1 points. So that's all for today. Stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy. Like, share and subscribe, and comment your opinion. For any other queries, write us to contact.rgglobaltech@gmail.com. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.